Hello everyone, how are we today? So I thought it was time for a little update on the Bourbonville Condor Flats railroad, my diorama that I've been working on. I think it's been a minute since I showed you any progress, and progress has been made. Not a lot, but some. I'll show you a little video, two spots. I've decided I've sort of added, we'll call it like an abandoned rail line, where I'm going to have a couple of cars where dirt has overtaken the track, etc., etc. And we're building another tunnel. This will be a tunnel, of course, that really isn't going to go anywhere. It's just more for looks, and you'll sort of see it. I have a couple of, they should be here next week, old damaged rail cars that I think will work really, really well. Instead of taking perfectly good ones and ruining them, I have taken the time and found some that were ruined and no good and got them on the cheap. And then the other location is over where the excavator is. You'll actually see we've got some dirt, and I think it's coming together quite nicely. I have some more items coming. There's a long ways to go, but at least you'll be able to see some progress, and I think I hope you'll see that it's coming together. It certainly isn't as good as some of the others I've seen. Some of these folks that do this are actually artisans, but I think I'm doing pretty well for my first time out, and I'm having fun, which is really all that matters. So anyway, without further ado, here, take a look. Here's a little bit of progress that we've made, and then I'll actually run the train. We'll do something fun because I know you haven't seen it run at all with the new cars attached to it. So here you go. As noted, some updates here. Not a lot, but you can see we've officially got some terra firma down. I've kind of got an abandoned rail line thing going here. Sort of new, but I'm very pleased with that. We still got the house. We got a little fence going now. Our train, and then again, some more terra firma here around the reinforced concrete pipe. I think it's looking pretty good. Not a lot of progress, but some. And I don't know if I've shown this before, but we've started to add some foliage to the mountain. A lot of work still to go there. And then as you can see here, another tunnel to nowhere. Again, this is part of that abandoned line idea that I had. Anyway. Right, pretty cool. Forward progress. A long ways to go. Like I said, I've got a couple damaged cars coming that we'll place on the track. I even have well, you'll see. I don't want to spoil the fun. And then there'll be some more videos here. I've acquired some more trains, some Atlas. We still have to talk about my Ives. I have some Dissler and some Bing clockwork trains that we'll talk about in the future, but that's a story for another day. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate the support for those of you that have given me a thumbs up on the railroad that I'm working on. I got to be honest, I'm having a hoot. It's a really good time. I find it very relaxing, and I'm having some fun. A little bit of the challenge is obviously, even though that the locomotive has been restored, Christ, it's 70-something years old, so it has its struggles. I think I'm going to get another train set that's quote-unquote modern, just to see sort of what it's like to have one that's instead of 70 years old, it's 70 days old, if you know what I mean. But anyway, in this world, when you can be anything you want, you be kind, you be humble, and you be forgiving. We'll see you next time. Bye.